Hey guys, this is Haris from teamandroid.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a new name tag inside the Instagram app. So Instagram is rolling out a new way to quickly follow people you've met in real life. This new feature is called name tag, and it works by showing your username on your phone in a colorful, fun format. It's basically like it's like a colorful QR code, because other people, whoever wants to follow you, they can simply just scan the code or just scan that image and start following you on Instagram. Similar functionality has already been tested, and other social networks have it, like Twitter has it, Facebook has it, and even Snapchat lets you generate a QR code that you can share it with whoever you want, so other people can follow your account. So let's just get started, and let me show you how easily you can do it on your Android or an iOS phone. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram app. Where is mine? Here's mine. Yeah. Once inside, you go to your profile. Next is press this icon at the top right with the three icons. Next you can do is here you will find the new name tag option at the top. You can tap on it, and here you are inside the name tag customization screen. You can choose between an emoji style. You can go for a selfie, or you can just have a simple colored name tag that you can just share it with your friends and family or whoever you want to follow you. You'll have a nice card with your Instagram ID in between. You can even choose between whatever emojis you like here. I'll go with this one. I like this. This is my favorite. Yeah. To scan someone else's name card, you can just hit this little scan and name tag button at the bottom, and your camera will open, and you can just scan anyone's name tag that you want to follow. It's relatively much easier and faster than typing out the user ID on your phone. So this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. We'll be back for more. Stay tuned. Bye bye.